Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your PS4 console from turning off automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Power Save Settings. Now select Set Time until PS4 turns off. Open both the options here and change Media Playback to Do Not Turn Off, and do the same for General. Once you have done that, your PS4 will no longer power off from inactivity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.